Alright, everyone. It's Jackie. Yeah, going by my real name. I think I said my real name in a couple of other videos. That's not the point. I got a package today. I already opened it, and I think I got fooled. I mean, here they are. I'll go start with the first one. I got this collie. I don't even know if this is real. If you guys have this this kind of collie with its mouth open, please tell me if his head is supposed to bobble, because mine doesn't. I don't know. Plus, they just seem like really small and just odd. It's like their head. Well, this one, like this is the only one that head doesn't bobble, but I don't see any LPS mark or anything. I mean, it has a magnet, but I don't think it really looks like them. So that's my collie. I also got this one. I don't remember what kind of dog it is. Most of these, I don't even know the kind of breed they are. So I got this, which I've seen in things too, but they just seem small. Like, if you compare, like, it to me, their heads are just so tiny, and their bodies. Like, this, its head, I feel like Collie's heads should be bigger. But I don't know. Because I've never really owned a collie before. I know. Sue me. Next one I got is this husky. Oh, and I didn't see any LPS mark for this. This is like the closest one that I think is, real. And, it still doesn't have an LPS mark, but I point it next to my Foxy custom. Yeah, I cut the tail off and I need to reshape that. They mostly seem the same, so I'm guessing this one is I'm not sure. Maybe they just took it off, I don't know. Probably, I'm not sure. This one, I've never really seen this one. It has such a huge head. God, you know what, just move these out of the way. I don't even care. This one's head bobbles a little, and also came with this. But I haven't really seen these ever before. It has its thing, but no LPS mark. So I'm not sure if that's real. And I have two more. I have this dog, which I've never ever seen in my life. Its head is just really small and odd shaped, but it has a magnet. It walks the same, but still, I'm not sure if it's real. Now, this last one, I think it's a bulldog, maybe? I don't know. This one, it just seems like if you hold it in your hand, it just seems really, really big. Like, compare it to me. Is this the right size? I'm not sure. Because, I don't know. I think I got scammed. But still, there's no way to find out. And I'm actually kind of happy with these. I mean, they might be fake, yes. But they're really cool looking. So on that note, I end this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Jackie, and goodbye.